In an increasingly digital world, the need for physical cards is diminishing. Financial technology, or fintech, companies like Wise have been at the forefront of this shift, offering innovative solutions for managing money across borders. This video explores the extent to which you can utilize Wise's services without relying on a physical card, and how this aligns with the evolving landscape of digital finance. The rise of cardless transactions, a project management perspective. From a project management standpoint, the global shift towards cardless transactions can be viewed as a massive project with several key drivers. Technological advancement. The proliferation of smartphones, mobile wallets, and contactless payment technologies has created the infrastructure necessary for cardless transactions to thrive. Changing consumer behavior. Consumers are increasingly demanding convenience, speed, and security in their financial transactions, which cardless solutions often provide. Cost efficiency. For businesses, including fintech companies like Wise, reducing reliance on physical cards can lower production and distribution costs. Enhanced security. In some cases, cardless transactions can offer enhanced security features, such as biometric authentication and tokenization, reducing the risk of fraud. Wise, as a project stakeholder in this global shift, has adapted its services to cater to this evolving landscape. Core Wise functionality. Account and transfers. The core functionality of Wise revolves around its multi-currency account and international money transfer services, both of which can be fully utilized without a physical card. Multi-currency account. A Wise account allows you to hold money in multiple currencies, receive payments from around the world, and convert between currencies at the mid-market exchange rate. All these operations are managed digitally through the Wise website or mobile application. You can receive money into your Wise account via bank transfer. International money transfers. Wise specializes in facilitating international money transfers with transparent fees and competitive exchange rates. You can initiate and manage these transfers entirely online or through the Wise app, specifying the recipient's bank details. In essence, the fundamental services that Wise provides can be accessed and managed without ever needing a physical card. This is crucial for users who primarily need Wise for online transactions, receiving foreign income, or sending money to overseas accounts. The Wise Card, enhancing spending flexibility. While Wise can be used without a physical card, the Wise Card offers an additional layer of convenience, particularly for spending. Physical Wise Card. The physical Wise Card is a debit card linked to your Wise multi-currency account. It allows you to spend money in different currencies, wherever Visa or MasterCard are accepted. Virtual Wise Card. Wise also provides the option to create virtual cards, which are digital-only cards linked to your Wise account. These virtual cards can be used for online purchases and offer enhanced security. Cardless spending, leveraging digital wallets. Even if you have a Wise card, you can still embrace cardless spending by linking it to a mobile wallet. Mobile wallets. Wise cards, both physical and virtual, can be added to popular mobile wallets such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. This enables you to make contactless payments in physical stores using your smartphone or smartwatch. Cardless ATM withdrawals. In some cases, you can even withdraw cash from ATMs without a physical Wise card by using your mobile wallet. This feature depends on the availability of cardless ATM technology at the specific bank and location. By integrating with mobile wallets, Wise empowers users to choose how they want to spend their money, whether it's through a physical card, a virtual card, or a completely cardless experience. Use cases. Navigating a cardless world with Wise. To illustrate the practicality of using Wise without a physical card, consider these use cases. Freelancers and remote workers. Individuals who receive income from international clients can use their Wise account to receive payments in various currencies and manage their funds without a physical card. They can then transfer the money to their local bank account. Online businesses. E-commerce businesses that operate internationally can use Wise to receive payments from customers worldwide and pay suppliers in different countries, all without relying on physical cards. Digital nomads. Individuals who travel the world and work remotely can use Wise to manage their finances, receive income, and make online purchases without the need for a physical card. Sending money to family abroad. Many people use Wise to send money to family members living in other countries. This can be done entirely online, without either the sender or the recipient needing a physical card. In each of these scenarios, Wise facilitates seamless international financial transactions without the limitations of traditional banking systems or the necessity of a physical card. Security considerations: protecting your digital assets. While cardless transactions offer convenience, it's crucial to prioritize security. Wise employs several measures to protect your digital assets. Account security. Wise utilizes robust security measures to protect your account, such as two-factor authentication and encryption. Transaction monitoring. Wise monitors transactions for suspicious activity and may contact you if they detect anything unusual. Virtual cards. Using a Wise virtual card for online transactions adds a layer of security, as the card details are different from your physical card. Mobile wallet security. Mobile wallets also incorporate security features such as biometric authentication and tokenization to protect your card information. As a user, you also play a role in maintaining security by using strong, unique passwords for your Wise account, keeping your mobile device and apps updated, being cautious of phishing attempts and other online scams, promptly reporting any suspicious activity on your Wise account. The future of cardless transactions. A project outlook. The trend towards cardless transactions is likely to continue, driven by ongoing technological advancements and evolving consumer preferences. From a project management perspective, this presents both opportunities and challenges for fintech companies like Wise. Innovation. Wise will need to continue innovating and developing new features to enhance the cardless experience for its users. Partnerships. Collaborations with other fintech companies, banks, and mobile wallet providers will be crucial for expanding the reach and functionality of cardless solutions. Regulation. As cardless transactions become more prevalent, regulators will need to adapt to ensure consumer protection and financial stability. Accessibility. Ensuring that cardless solutions are accessible to everyone, including those with limited technological literacy, will be an important consideration.